Now I want us to learn physics. So our topic today now physics. Now physics we wan learn today. Physics. Sure you get. Now physics we wan learn today. And the topic we wan learn today, we wan learn how to derive equations of motion. So our topic is derivation of equations of motion. Okay, so the person wey you dey learn from, my name na Kenneth. My name na Mr. Ken. Now Mr. Ken they call me for here. Name is Mr. Ken. Mr. Ken. Okay, my name na Mr. Ken. My location is Nigeria. Okay, my location is Nigeria. So my number is +234 84 8068 597422. Here they follow. So that one na my number. Now I want you go to drop your information on the comment section. So I want to teach you how to derive the first equation of motion, the second equation of motion, and the third equation of motion. And that one go dey learn. So now let's go with the first equation of motion. First equation of motion. So the first equation of motion, you know where they get that one from? The first equation of motion, you fit get that for the definition of acceleration. And what will be the definition of acceleration? Acceleration now they define as a change in velocity over time. So acceleration is now change in velocity over time. Change in velocity over time. So that one now change in velocity over time. So make I put that in word. Change. Okay, change in velocity over time. So I hope say you follow that one. Now, and change in velocity, now they call final velocity minus initial velocity over what? Over time. Shey they follow. If not they hear me, I'll go check my see how the comment section be, whether una dey hear wetin I dey talk. If una no dey hear, na fit drop her for the this thing. So ahead, my brother, I greet you. Okay, so I say make I teach physics today. Okay, I greet you, my brother. I dey see your comment. A very good one. You are a good guy. I like your way. Okay, with time I'll do it you say make I do for you. I'll do it. Okay, you're a good guy. Okay, times 5 times. Okay, so I go change this thing now. I go change them to final velocity v minus initial velocity u over what? Over time. That be our acceleration. So what I will do, I'll make v the subject formula. So I'll cross multiply. That is v minus u is equal to 80. Change the follow. So I'm going to take this u inside. If I take the u inside, I will get v is equal to u plus 80. So Now so the formula B. Now so the formula B. This one that they call the first equation of motion. First equation of motion. I hope say they follow. They follow. They follow. So now I don't get my first equation of motion. I don't get my first equation of motion. Okay, make I give you time to write am. If you never write, I write this one now. Write am. Make I check the comment box. Okay, now I want to do the second equation of motion. The second equation of motion. The second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Hmm? Second equation of motion. Okay, I'm gonna wait to my daughter want wait. So the second equation of motion can be obtained by average velocity. Average velocity. So average velocity. An average velocity is equal to V average, which is final velocity, initial velocity plus final velocity all over 2. Now this will be the average velocity. And you recall, let's get our summary. Yes, summary. The first equation of motion now, V equal to U plus AT. So now this one, I'll replace them for here. I'll replace this first equation 1. I'll replace it here. So I get V, I'll get U plus, okay, I'll replace that for here, U plus AT all over 2. U plus AT all over 2. Shey they follow. I don't tell you now, they follow. If you don't understand, now my number be this. And it's a WhatsApp number. WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp number. So if I replace them, I get V average is equal to 2U plus AT all over 2. And recall that I go replace this. Know that velocity is equal to distance over time. So this distance, let me use x as our distance. So I'll replace it here. S over time is equal to 2U over 2 plus AT over 2. See, I want to make S the subject of the formula. I'll make S the subject formula. I'll cross multiply. Take only this one. This one we go. So S now equal to, this one already cancel this. Yeah, UT plus 1 all over 2 AT square. Now that will be equation 3. So now equation 3 be this. So equation 2, I beg your pardon. So equation 2, S is equal to UT plus 1 all over 2 AT square. Okay, now that one be second equation of motion. So we go try our best to get our third equation of motion. We'll get our third equation of motion. So make I check the comment box. So make we get our third equation of motion. As you they follow, they subscribe. As you come, they subscribe. I beg. I can help me, meet up with the threshold. That's why they try to work out. Okay, I'm coming. Why didn't you pull it? I told you to pull it. You want to bring it on the float. So, let us get our third equation of motion. So, equation of motion. So the third equation of motion, how you go take get am? You go get am from the first equation of motion and remove the second equation of motion from it. Now so you go take get that third equation of motion. So all right. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, please, you can drop it in the comment box. The third equation of motion, we want to explain and navigate. Okay, all right, thank you. Let me explain the third equation of motion. Now, the third equation of motion can be obtained from the first equation of motion. See, you recall the first equation of motion. First equation of motion. If I recall the first equation of motion, I have V is equal to U plus AT. What I go do? I'll square both sides. Square. Now what you go do? If you square both sides, you go get V square is equal to, say if I square both sides, I'll get this one, U square plus 2AT U, right? This one, I'm using Pascal triangle to open the bracket, Pascal triangle. That is this times this times 2 times this 2. Shade the follow. This one times this times 2 plus this one times itself. That is A square plus A square T square. Shade the follow. Now, I use Pascal triangle to expand it. Pascal triangle 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So if I'm to expand using S plus A or cube, I'll be having S cube plus S square 3 S square A plus 3 S A square plus A cube. Okay, this is Pascal triangle for this. So for this one, now 2, now it be. So now the next step now to extract this part. I want to extract this part. You see them for here. So from here, I'll remove A. A is common. So I'll remove A. So U square. You don't say this one. So this one, this very one. This one are 2 over 2. Shall you follow? Put 2 for up, put 2 for down. Now the same thing. Okay. If you put 2 for up, you put 2. You know why I put 2 for up and put 2 for down? Now for me to factorize, shall you get V square is equal to U square plus. Now I will extract the 2. 2 is common. 2 is common here. Then wait till common again. I no touch T because T there and T there. I no touch them. So I'll remove A. If I remove A, wait till they remain. Wait till remain 8 UT. U remain, T still remain. plus wetin remain for here na half remain. Wetin remain? A remain for here and t square. Shey you follow? Now if you see, if you look this box wey dey here, if you check the bracket wey dey here and wetin I get for here na the same thing. So instead of writing this, I replace it with x. So I get u v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and this one might be our third equation of motion. So I come here, I write am v square is equal to u square plus 2ax. So now that one be our third equation of motion. I hope say they follow. They follow. I will explain that if you don't understand. So what we go do, make we go to the let's talk about equation under gravity. Equation under gravity. Equation of motion under gravity. So equation of motion under gravity. So equation of motion under gravity. So gravity plays a very crucial role. See, motion can be vertical. So motion can be horizontal. Now horizontal, either forward or backward. For vertical motion, either upward or downward. Shey dey follow? That one might be the motion. So equation of motion under gravity, we are looking at whether you are throwing an object downward or you are throwing it upward. So now this type of motion is what I refer to as vertical motion. So vertical motion, that is when you are throwing objects. You have an object, the object goes up, the object reach a maximum height, the object starts falling. So velocity reduces as object goes up, while velocity increases as object comes down. Okay, so the velocity reduces while it goes up. So when an object is going up, now it is actually going against gravity. So acceleration is against gravity. A is equal to minus g. When an object is falling down, it's falling under gravity. A is equal to plus g, So case 1, equation of motion under gravity. Case 1, that is against gravity. So against gravity, if it's against gravity, that means it's going up. Upward motion. So if it's going against gravity, this is the maximum height. That is x is equal to h. Now point to note, when object is going up, a is equal to minus g, s is equal to h, final velocity is 0. So that's case 1. Final velocity is 0. So let's write the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. But for motion under gravity, V is equal to u minus gt. So this is the first equation of motion under gravity. The second equation of motion under gravity, as in going against gravity, that is v x s is equal to ut plus 1 all over 2 gt square. Shey dey follow. Now our s is h, so h is equal to ut minus 1 over 2 gt square. So this is the second equation of motion when objects they go against gravity. Now the third equation of motion when object is going against gravity is equal to v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. Remember, v is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. Now, when objects they fall under gravity, just change these three formula to plus. So under gravity, that's case 2. Case 2, under gravity, you have under gravity, that is, gravity plays a crucial role. That's why they tell us, say anything will go up must surely come down. Now wetin they tell us, wetin go up go come down. So since now under gravity, then we go write v is equal to u plus gt. So this is for under gravity. Then h is equal to ut plus 1 all over 2 gt square. Then v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. Now our next video, I thank you for following us. Please subscribe so that more people can see this video. You understand? If you get brother wey wan write WAEC, wan write JAMB, wan write NECO, and wan write any external exam, especially exam wey go take enter abroad school, make that person subscribe to our channel. It go go well. If I go teach am anything, it go go well for that person. Shey you get? So if you want English, if you want us to use the right English in our explanation, we'll be able to deliver it. But for the majority of Africans who couldn't speak the right English, we'll do our best to explain it in vernacular for them to understand. So for you who are our fellow subscribers who are doing their best to follow us, we appreciate you to share this video. We appreciate you to share this video for others to see. My name remains Kenneth, Mr. Ken. So my name, my country is Nigeria, and my WhatsApp number is there. I'll see you in our next class. Bye.